Good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics we will solve exercise 3b. Exercise 3b. Here the first question is add. The question is given here. We have to add 16, 8 decimal 7, 0 decimal 94, 6 decimal 8 and 7 decimal 77. So first we have to convert all in like decimal. 16 decimal 00, 8 decimal 70, 0 decimal 94, 6 decimal 8 and 0 and 7 decimal 77. Now we have to add them. 7 4 11 in the hand 1, 7 1 8 9 17, 17 8 25 and 7 32 in the hand 3. 3 and 6 9 8 17, 17 6 23, 23 and 7 30 and 3 1 4, 40 decimal 2 1. Look one more question here. Question number 8. 9 decimal 09, 0 decimal 909, 99 decimal 9, 9 decimal 99, 0 decimal 099, that we have to add. 9 decimal 09, then 0 decimal 909, then 99 decimal 9, 9 decimal 99, and now again we have to convert them in like decimal. 9 decimal 090, then 0 decimal 909, then 99 decimal 9 and then 00, again 9 decimal 990, 0 decimal 099. Now we have to add them. 9 and 9 18 in the hand 1, 9 3 are 27, 9 and 18 and 27 1, 28 in the hand 2, 9 3 are 27 and 2, 29 in the hand 2, 9 9 18, 18 and 27 and 2, 29 in the hand 2 and 9 and 2 11, 119 decimal 988. Now from look at question number 9. Here we have to subtract. Question number 9 is here. 14 decimal 79 we have to subtract from 72 decimal 43. Now what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 14 decimal 79 from 72 decimal 43. So we are subtracting here. Take one here. 13 minus 9 4. 30 minus 7 6, 11 minus 4 7 and 6 minus 1 5. In the same way we have to solve the question number 15 here. All questions are same from 9 to 15. In question number 15 we have to subtract 2 decimal 5307 from 8. Now first we have to convert both in like decimal. In 8 decimal 0000 here, 2 decimal 5307. Now 10 minus 7 3, 9 here, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 4 5 4, and here 7 remains, 7 minus 2 5. So here the answer will be 5 decimal 4693. In same way we will solve up to question number 9 to 16. Okay. Now look at question number 17 here. But before we have to clean it. In question number 17, take out take out 5 decimal 746 from 8 decimal 1. Here in the same way we have to subtract 5 decimal 746 from 8 decimal 1. For that we have to first convert the 8 decimal 1 and 5 decimal 746 in like decimals. Now 5746. Now we have to subtract the values here. Okay. Now look at the question number 18. What is added to be 63 decimal 58 to get 92? Same way here in question number 18. The required number is equal to 92 minus 63 decimal 58. Again we have to subtract 63.58 from 92. For that, we have to convert the both in the like decimal, and now we have to subtract the values here. Now look at question number 19. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? What is to be subtracted? Again here, the required number equals to, we have to subtract here 0.813 from 8.1. For that, we have to convert the both in like decimal, 8.1, and here 3 digits. So 2 zeros we have to mark, 0.813. Now we have to subtract the values for getting the answer. Now look at question number 20. By how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1? So here we have to the required increment equals to 60.1 minus 32.67. So 60.10 and 32.67, that we have to subtract 32.67 from 60.1. Now in question number 21, look at here. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? Required decrement equals to 74.3 minus 26.87. So here we have to convert them first into like decimal, and then we have to solve it by subtracting. So in the same way, you can solve up to question number 17 to 21. Now the last question is 22 that we have to look here. Now in question number 22, Rohit purchased a notebook of 23.75 rupees. Price of notebook. Price of notebook, that is given here, 23.75 rupees, and a pencil for rupees 2.85. Price of pencil here, rupees 2.85, and a pen for rupees 15.90. So here the price of pen, that is equal to rupees 15.90. Now Rohit purchased three things: a notebook of 23.75 rupees, a pencil of rupees 2.85 rupees, and a pen of rupees 15.90 rupees. He gave a 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper. What amount did he get back? After purchasing these three items, he gave a 50 rupees note of shopkeeper. So what amount did he get back? So what amount did he get for getting this? First we have to add these values. Total price of stationery items, that will be 5, 5, 10 here, 9, 8, 17, and 7, 24, and 1, 25 here in the hand, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 2, 7, 7, 5, 12 in the hand, 1, and 1, 2, and 2, 4. So he has purchased the stationery items of 42.50 rupees. Now, therefore, the money he got back. For that, we have to subtract this value. We have to subtract this value from the total amount. The total amount is here 50 rupees. He had given 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper. Now subtracting the values, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and you cancel. Therefore, rupees 7.50 he got back. Okay. So in this way, you can solve all the questions of exercise 3B. In our next exercise, we will study about or learn about the multiplication of integers in exercise 3C. Okay, friends, thank you for watching.